Welcome back to Heart and Soul. Today we are going to get out into the garden again, and I brought my helpers here. This is a great way to let the kids get out, to start doing some yard work, help you. They feel like they're a part of something, and they can be a lot of help. So today we're going to go in and we're going to cut back and prune and fertilize the roses here in the front yard. So I'm going to teach this big guy how to do that, and so let's get started. And we have a little helper. Miranda, are you helping? Beep, beep. Beep, beep. I know. Okay, let's get started. And we're going to just clip it. Okay, so like right here, we're going to go right under there and clip it. Okay, so now this one is a bud, right? It's not dead. You're only looking for the little dead pieces, but where are you going to cut?
Right there?
Yes. There you go. See? So you got to be real careful with those because they're very sharp. There. Just go to where the new growth is. There you go. And over here you've got some. So when you're cutting back on the roses, you want to go to where, right underneath where, these have been cut back quite a bit in the winter time, but this is just kind of like a pruning. So you just want to get to where the dead piece is. Let me find one here. Okay, so here's a dead piece. You want to go underneath here. Whoop. Where the new growth is, and you see the growth on the leaves. Now if you can get in and you can see we've got quite a bit of these aphids, these little green, right here, you can see them right here. Those are aphids, those are buds. So this needs to get sprayed real good. And trying to remain so strong, I know it's good. If I'm wrong, I got it. I gotta go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions. I'll go, running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. Nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night. Like I am leaving all the bad skies. Go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions. I'll go, running to better times. This poor girl, she just wanted somebody, anybody to pick her up and let her get out there and explore. So right here, all of these roses have a lot of aphids on them. I don't know if that's part of the year type of thing, so I'm just going to soak. This is a spray, Garden Safe, that I used last year, and I'm just going to get in here and just really soak underneath, inside this plant, because they are all old. So for the fertilizing, I use a Spoma, it's upside down, but a Spoma Organic Rose Tone. This is one of my favorite ones for roses. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough. I might have to order some, but I'll give you the gist of what I'm doing. Basically, you just grab handfuls and you just go around the line of the plant. The base of each rose. Okay, so after you've put the fertilizer down, just water in at the base of the plant really good. Just soak it, get all that water and the fertilizer mixed together and down into the roots. Okay, so our rose project is done for today. We did pruning, we did fertilizing, we sprayed for aphids, and we kind of hosed off our patio, kind of got it all nice and fresh for the spring. Was you a big helper? You were a big helper. You were a big helper with your sister. Yeah, she's not much into this whole sitting and not being able to get out and explore. So I hope I gave you some inspiration to get out there and get some stuff done in your yard. Showed you maybe how to cut back your roses. Roses are one of the easiest things to grow and take care of. They're very hardy. So I hope that this was some good information for you and that you get out there, bring the kids while they're home. They can be big helpers. So get them out there, teach them how to do some of this stuff and get them out in this fresh air. Have a great day and we'll see you in the next one.